Hey there, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to show you how you can see your friend's location on Snapchat. It's not so tough, so do what I say and you'll be able to see your friend's location. Open the Snapchat app. Go to the map, and there you can see some of your friends' locations. Tap on one of your friends, and you can see his or her location clearly. As you can see, your friend lives in this place. You can also track his location and go to him via Google. You can also add your friend's location to your home screen as well. Let me give you another example. Let me tap in at one of my friends and then press on this button over here. After I press it, I'll press opening Google Maps, and there you go, you can find the location and go through it via Google Maps as well. This process is really easy. If you have any problems, do mention it in our comment section below. I hope the video was helpful for you. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until next time, goodbye, take care.